Today, we're checking out the Mova M10 cordless wet dry vacuum. Huge thanks to Mova for sending us the sample. As always, our opinions are our own. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Now let's unbox it. Inside the box, you'll find a charging base, cleaning brush, extra roller brush, extra washable filter, a bottle of cleaning solution, product literature, and of course, the M10 main unit with the snap-in handle. Setup is simple, just attach the handle, charge it up, and fill the tank. Let's get into cleaning. So how does the M10 stack up? It's priced well below the average wet dry vacuum, yet comes fully loaded with features and accessories. You typically don't see extras like a spare filter, extra roller, or cleaning solution at this price point. They're usually cut to reduce costs. The M10 delivers 18,000 pascals of suction, above the category average of 17,000, and boasts strong airflow at 395 FPM. While its vacuum pressure on hard floors is slightly below average at 0.68 kPa, real-world performance remains strong across both wet and dry messes. Noise levels come in at 76 decibels, just under the average and quite enough to avoid being distracting. You get about 40 minutes of runtime, slightly above average, which covers up to 3,200 square feet on a single charge. The clean water tank is right at average capacity, while the dirty water tank is above average, meaning fewer trips to refill or empty, which is exactly what you want during a cleaning session. What really stands out? The thoughtful design and user-focused features. The 180-degree lie-flat reach allows the M10 to clean under beds and couches effortlessly, fitting into spaces as low as 5.5 inches, a better reach than most competitors. Smart dirt detection adjusts suction and water flow automatically based on the level of mess, maximizing both performance and battery efficiency. Its 167-degree Fahrenheit hot water and hot air drying system self-clean the roller in just 15 minutes and does so quietly. The dual edge cleaning gives you true edge-to-edge coverage, ideal for getting right up against baseboards. The tangle-free brush uses anti-hair wrap technology, which proved highly effective even on our long hair tests. Not a single tangle. Maneuverability is another win, thanks to its swivel head, which glides smoothly around furniture legs and tight corners. So what's missing? There are a few trade-offs. The M10 lacks an LED headlight, which would help in low-light areas. It doesn't feature a self-propelling mechanism, though it's lightweight at under 10 pounds, and the spinning rollers naturally assist in forward movement anyways. There's also no dedicated tank for cleaning solution, so you need to mix it manually in the clean water tank. Lastly, it doesn't offer Wi-Fi or app connectivity, which some premium models now include. Bottom line, the Mova M10 is an impressive budget-friendly wet dry vacuum, and we don't say this lightly. This is the best value on the market today and our top pick. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and loaded with high-end features like hot air drying, tangle-free maintenance, and dual edge cleaning. While it skips a few premium luxuries like app control and headlights, its overall performance and value are hard to beat, especially for pet owners or anyone needing efficient edge-to-edge cleaning under furniture.